Today's sight word is come. We'll review our DLO, the sight words that we've learned, sing a couple songs, and then we'll write our new sentence today, and you will write it in your writing journal. Okay, our new sight word is come. Let's spell it and read it 3 times. C-O-M-E. Come. 2 more. C-O-M-E. Come. 1 more time. C-O-M-E. Come. Let's read our DLO and get started. Today I will read and write the sight word come. Now it's your turn. Today I will read and write the sight word come. All right, let's sing our song. Some is our bonus sight word because if I cover up the initial letter, they both have O-M-E. Come, some. In the song, they talk about both, so that's why some is a bonus word. All right, let's listen.
C-O-M-E, come play ball with me. C-O-M-E, come and climb a tree. Change the C to S, then come turns into some. Change the C to S, and come turns into some. S-O-M-E, some kids are having fun. S-O-M-E, some means more than one.
C-O-M-E, come play ball with me. And then some, just our bonus word, so we'll keep that there. Let's review. All right. Two. How do you spell two? T-O. Two. C. How do we spell C? S-E-E. C. And. How do we spell it? A-N-D. And. The. How do we spell it? T-H-E. The. Like. How do we spell it? L-I-K-E. Like. We. How do we spell it? W-E. We. The word is a. How do we spell it? A. The word is I. How do we spell it? Capital I. In your packet that you picked up on Monday, we gave you some index cards, and all I want you to do is turn it over to the blank side and write the sight words. Have your family write it for you so that it's big and very clear for you to read and be able to see all the letters. So your index cards are a little smaller than my big cards, but they will be able to help you and write the sight words nice and big for you to practice as flashcards. Next week, I'm going to be assessing you on what sight words you know so far. We've learned, let's see how many we've learned. I won't count some because it's a bonus word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've learned 9 words as of today, and we'll have another word we'll learn tomorrow. So next week, I just want to see if you might be able to read a couple words. So let's see. I hope you can read all of them, but we'll see how many you can read. All right, let's get started on our sentence. Today, you will get to write in your writing journal. When we write in our journal, we open the book and we go to the very next blank page. So I have mine ready to go. Today you'll copy the first part of my sentence and then you'll finish the blank. So I'll start the sentence, which you will copy, and then you'll fill in the rest. Maybe I'll do it in a different color for you to be able to see better. I'll have you copy the part that's in blue, and then I'll put my part of the sentence in green, but the green part you can change. So we'll talk about that when we get there. Our sentence today is, will you come help me, please? That's my sentence. Will you come help me, please? And we're going to use our question mark today. Say, period, punctuate. I am not thinking today. Say, period, exclamation point, question mark. I just have to slow down sometimes. We're going to ask a question today. So when you're writing journal, think of a question that you can write with the word come. Okay, Miss Hawkins, slow down here. Don't forget to start with your name. We're practicing writing our name. And if you still need help in your writing journal, don't forget your helper can write it in with a highlighter first for you to trace. So we'll start with our name. My name is Mrs. Hawkins. M-R-S period Hawkins. H-A-W-K-I-N-S. And the date today is September 16th, 2020, and we can abbreviate it by saying 9-16-20. 9-16-20. I ran out of room. Now I'm going to start my sentence on the left at the top. So I've already used my top line, so I'll use the next line. My sentence is, will you come help me, please? Actually, it's a question, not a sentence. Will. I'll start with a W, which is down, up, down, up. Will, I-L, L. Will you. Don't forget, what do I need next? Finger space. U. U is Y, which is slant right, slant left. Y-O-U. U is a sight word. We'll learn that a different day, but if we practice it enough, you'll know it when we learn it. Will you come, finger space. How do I spell come? C-O-M-E. C-O-M-E. Will you come help me, please? Will you come? You can fill in the rest with whatever you want. But I want you to start your question with, will you come? You could say, will you come play with me? Will you come cook with me? Will you come swim with me? Will you come climb with me? Whatever you want. Will you come read with me? I want you to start your question with, will you come? I'll finish my sentence with green. So you don't have to copy mine, and I'd rather you make up your own sentence. Think of your own sentence and question to write. I'm going to add another little writing line for me because I think I'm going to run out of room. So you'll do the blue part, and then you don't have to copy my part in the green because it's my sentence. Think of your own. Will you come help, finger space, help, H-E-L-P. I ran out of room. What should I do? Go to the next line, all the way on the left. Will you come help me? How do I spell me? Oh, I threw my pen on the ground. Me. When we sang the song I, capital I spells I, and I is about me, M-E. I already know how to spell it. M, down, hump, hump, E, over, up, and around. Will you come help me, finger space, please? P, L, E, A, S. Whoops, my S didn't quite touch the ground. Please. I'm finishing my question. When I write a question, I finish it with a question mark. My punctuation will be a question mark. Question mark is you begin it like writing a 2, where we have a candy cane top, get to the fence, go straight down, and then a period. I want you to start your sentence with, will you come? Now finish the question however you want. My sentence says, will you come help me, please? Question mark. What will you write in your writing journal? Think about how you want to finish your question. Will you come cook with me, please? Will you come walk the dog with me, please? Will you come to the playground with me, please? Think about what you want to write. Here's my writing journal. I wrote my name first, and then the date, and I wrote my sentence. Will you come help me, please? With a question mark. So here's a little student asking the teacher to come help. Now it's your turn. Don't forget to draw a nice big picture up here and write your sentence. You'll start your sentence with, will you come? And then finish the rest however you want. Now it's your turn.